Welcome to Kintoz Point of Sale. Let's get started. In this tutorial series, we will introduce the core features of the point of sale system for restaurant operations. Here's a quick walkthrough for sales details and billing. First, log into the system with your account. This is the home page where you can find all the modules. Before proceeding, please make sure that the food items is populated with data. Let's go ahead into sales order. Here you can see all tables available. There is also an option to switch between dine-in orders and takeout. Let's say a customer walked in and occupied table 1. Click on the table to open. First, let's go over the user interface. On the upper left corner, we have the Home button, Log Out button, the Table Layout button, and the filter for kitchen or bar food categories. By default, the kitchen food categories are shown below. On the center, we have the item search bar. Below is the order list. And finally, a discount field. On the right corner, we have the sales details, table info, and order status for kitchen and bar food items. Now we can set how many guests there are for this table. Click on Total Guests. Then select the number of guests according to their status. For now, we will be adding only regular customers. But as you can see, there is an option to select as persons with disabilities, senior citizens, and diplomats. Certain discounts are automatically applied when these settings are selected. We can also set which staff or server is assigned to this table. Click Add to apply. Once the waiter has taken the customer's orders, we can now enter them into the system. There are two ways to find the food items. First, we can search for the item name on the search bar. In this demo, let's add a few burgers. Click on the drop-down to determine the quantity of orders. Here's a more specific search using the food item's name. Another way of looking up food items is to click on the categories. As an example, let's click on soda to add a few drinks. If an item was incorrectly punched, we can remove the item by clicking on the X button. A confirmation box will appear. The C button is for comments. Click on this if you want to add remarks on an order regarding additional requests. Some examples are additional eyes or no onions. The D button is for individual item discounts. Before we look into the order status, here's the filter for bar items. For now, we only have local beers as a category. Since we only entered kitchen food items, let's click on the order status under kitchen. Here we can check the items off to confirm they were served. We can update the items one at a time. And below is an option to toggle all items in the list. Now, all items on the order list have been updated with check icons. Once the customers are finished with their meal and asks for the bill, click on the Bill Out button. This will ready a receipt for print. Click Print to continue. After this is delivered to the customers, and the customer provides payment, choose the mode of payment to enter the amount. For this example, we will use cash. Enter the amount on this field, and click Add Payment. With the mode of payment ready, we can now press F1 or click Complete Sale. Please note that this will finalize the transaction. Once clicked, we can now print the receipt that confirms the sale. The user can print the final receipt to be handed along with any change remaining. This concludes the sales and billing overview. Thank you for watching.